Hi, friends. Welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? I love tools. I like to go into my little workshop and use my tools to build things, or sometimes I fix things. Have you ever seen a big person using tools? You have? Today, I need your help because my new friend, Albert Alligator, is going to learn about tools. Let's meet him. Let's call him. You say, Albert. Hi. Hello. Hi, Albert. We're going to learn about tools today. Oh, nice. Come on. Let's go. Now remember, friends, real tools are only for big people. But you can always play with toy tools, with your play tools, right? This is my screwdriver. You say it. Screwdriver. Oh, wow. Albert, no, no. You tell him, friends. You say, no, no. No, Albert, we don't eat screwdrivers. It's a tool. You use it to tighten screws or loosen screws. Here, if you're hungry, let's just get you some food. Oh, okay. What should we feed Albert? How about an apple? You say it, friends. Apple. That's it. Here you go, Albert. Try this. I think it'll taste better. Ready, friends? Use your big teeth, smile, and say, eat. Yummy. That was much better than a screwdriver. I thought so. Okay, so now as we were talking about tools, let's see what else we have. What else is in my toolbox? Ooh, this is my wrench. It's an adjustable wrench. You use it to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. The wrench. Check it out, Albert. This is my wrench. Oh, Albert! You say, oh my. Oh, Albert, can I have my wrench, please? Thank you. We don't eat wrenches. Could you please tell Albert, say, no, Albert. You say, no. Oh, sorry. Are you still hungry? Yes. Okay. Let's give Albert some more food. How about some yummy cheese? Smells good. This is my cheese. Ready? Tell Albert to open his mouth. You say, open. Ready? Eat. Yummy. Delicious. Oh, good. I'm glad you like that. Pretty tasty. Okay. So that should be good for Albert. He should be full, I guess. Let's get some more tools. Let's see. Ooh. Friends, does anyone know what this is? I don't. This is a tape measure. You use it for measuring things. Albert, grab that little tab on the end there. Go ahead. Ooh, it gets pretty long. Look at that. You use a tape measure to measure things. Pretty cool. Albert! You say, oh dear. You say it, friends. Oh dear. Albert. Albert, please don't talk with your mouth full. Can I have my tape measure, please? Sorry. I just get so hungry when we talk about tools. Oh, Albert. Okay, I think we should give Albert some more food. That's a very good idea. How about a pepper picked fresh from my garden? You say, yummy pepper. That's it. Tell Albert to open his mouth. You say, open. Here we go. Ready, friends? Big teeth smile. Big belly breath. Eat. Yummy. That was good. I love veggies. Me too. Veggies help you grow nice and strong. Okay, so back to what we were doing, learning about tools. Oh, this is my hammer. Remember, friends, only big people can use real tools. You can use your play tools, but this is my hammer. See? You say, hammer. Very nice. A hammer is used for hitting nails, to put pieces of wood together. Ready, Albert? You say, hammer. Albert, please tell Albert. Friends, please tell him. Say, no, no, no. Oh, Albert. Hammers are not for eating. Oh. You have any more food, Mr. Crag? Yes, I think I have one more. I have some yummy pizza. Oh, I love pizza. I just adore it. You adore pizza? Yes, that means I love it so much. It does? Yep. Okay. Ready, friends? You tell Albert. Open. Go. Eat. Yummy. That was so much fun, friends. Thank you so much for helping me teach Albert about tools. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.